In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Google Ads account. Verification ensures your ads can run without interruptions and helps confirm your business information for transparency and trust. First, open your Google Ads account in a desktop browser. Make sure you're in the correct account you want to verify and that you have the right permissions to make changes. Having a stable internet connection and an up-to-date browser can prevent hiccups while you're working through the process. Once you're in, click Billing. Depending on your layout, you may see Billing in the main navigation or under a Tools or Settings menu. This is the area where Google connects your account details with payment information and compliance requirements, so it's the right place to begin the verification. Next, click Advertiser Verification. This takes you to Google's guided flow. Don't worry if the exact wording varies slightly, you're looking for the option that starts the verification process. If you see prompts like Get Verified or Verification Required, that's what you want to select. The flow will tailor itself based on your account type, region, and the information Google needs to confirm. From here, simply complete the tasks and follow the prompts on your screen to successfully verify your account. You may be asked to confirm your business name and address, your relationship to the business, and sometimes identity details for the account owner or administrator. Provide accurate, consistent information that matches your legal records and your billing profile. When uploading any documents, use clear, legible images or PDFs and make sure names, addresses, and registration details are visible and match what's in your account. Avoid including any extra personal information. Only submit what the form specifically requests. As you move through each screen, read the instructions at the top carefully. If a prompt asks for a specific document type, choose the one that best aligns with your situation and double-check that the details are current. If a field is optional, you can skip it unless the system marks it as required. Take your time to avoid typos. Small inconsistencies can cause delays. When you reach the end, review everything once more and submit. You'll see a confirmation that your information was received, and the status will update in your account once Google completes the review. Keep the tab open until you see the submission go through. That's it. Open your account, click Billing, click Advertiser Verification, and follow the on-screen prompts to finish successfully.